So hello, today I'm going to show you how I do an automation for bulk editing listings for my client and how I did it through automation and how I changed the titles for 688 listings in less than 5 minutes. So let's go ahead. Let me show you my screen. So as you can see, work is successfully done. Right now, this is showing you that I have created 112 items that are now updated on our listings platform. And also after updating it, it has updated my Google Sheets. So right now, let me show you how I do it. Okay, so from the Google Sheets, wherein I am creating the different titles or editing them on bulk, and then it will go now to our listings, and then it will go back to the same sheets and update it. So as you can see here, this is our data set. It has 600 items in it that the titles needs to be updated. The problem with this it is the titles should not have the same words on it. So what I'm going to do is I'll copy the titles here and I'll open my ChatGPT. And the prompt that I use is very simple. I just said, please rewrite this. No two consecutive words are the same. Use alternative words. As you can see here, there are many titles that have the same words. And now ChatGPT has came back with this. All of them are changed and there's no consecutive words and it's in the same exact pattern. So all I have to do is just copy and paste it back to my sheet. And once that is done for my 600 items, I batch them here on the status. I just change it as S6, so S1 to S6, so that I can do it in batches. You can definitely do it in one go, but I prefer doing it in batches so that I could see any mistakes that are done and just my preference. So here I will put S6. This is the next batch that I am working on. As you can see, the previous one, it's 112 done. And here, this is from the sheets. It will get the items that I need done. And here you can see the result. The title has been changed. And then it would also update the same sheets. Here it's saying that these specific items are done. So we could, it also has a timestamp and it could also tell me which specific listing is done. We can track it through the Google Sheet here. And right now, let me execute this flow. You can see how this happens. So first it will get the items and now it has 199 items or cells from our Google Sheets or rows. And then right now it is updating our live listings on our Guesty platform. And after that's done, it will change here from done to done title. This one, it says done. After this has been updated on the platform, it will be automatically tagged as done title. So right now it's just taking some time to execute. This will not be more than 5 to 10 minutes. And the more items that you put in here, the longer this takes. That's why I prefer doing it by batches. So right now we're doing 199 batch and let's just wait for this to execute and I'll update you once it's done. So now it's done. As you can see, it has 2 check marks here. It's automatically changed here from done to done title. And that's how I do my bulk editing in Guesty. This is great if you are a real estate VA, if you are a business owner who wants to do your work faster. This actually saved me so much time doing this manually. This would usually take a few days at all to create this. And if there's anything around the listings that are I want it to be done, I just do it all in the Google Sheets first and then have it auto updated on the listing platform so that I don't have to do it manually one by one. So that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial and I hope this helps you. Follow for more automations.